How are you today, sir?
Why do you want to know?
Well, I'm just trying to get to know you. I want to make sure you're okay.
Oh, okay.
The reason I'm here is the staff called. They were concerned about you, so they sent me to come and check on you.
Okay, I'm fine. You can go.
Okay, I got to make sure that they want you in here first. Is there a reason you have a general antagonistic disposition towards me? Or?
Yeah, because you two goons have, because of the way that you're acting, I take offense to it, and I think that you should stand back.
Hello.
Another step or two would be good.
Perfect.
This is what little information we have on him because he was a new patient. But he came in and he was very argumentative. He's playing his guitar. While we appreciate your music, it's not appropriate and you need to stop. And he called a mom, mother person. And then he told the receptionist that if he comes here and his issue isn't fixed, he's going to jump into traffic. He said it 3 times. I don't know if he's joking or what, but he got really mad because it was 1:01. His appointment was at 1 o'clock, and it was 1:01, and we hadn't taken him back.
Yeah, so now you guys basically want him to leave.
Interaction.
Have I done anything right here that you can see that would provoke anything other than just a normal conversation and leave?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, then I prefer that you take another step back. If I'm not a threat to you.
Did you have any type of interaction with them or anything like that was negative?
I was invited to come here and play my guitar. Apparently I wasn't playing the rap music they liked or whatever, but they decided they wanted to make an issue out of it after being told specifically that I could come here.
Okay.
I had a heart procedure, and they're trying to figure out if this is healthy or not.
Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be able to give you that much time, unfortunately.
Can I give a 65-year-old guy with a heart attack a chance to make it out alive, or do you want to hurt me?
I don't want to hurt you at all.
I'm hoping that we can resolve this peacefully.
I'm hoping we can resolve it peacefully in about 45 minutes.
We've got an ambulance that can come up with a cot, which would be an easy way that you wouldn't need to walk.
Good. Thank you for coming and helping us.
Sure.
What do we need to sign?
What I'm going to need to do is go out there and tell him that he either has to leave right now, or you, as the person in charge of the premises, is trespassing and banning him permanently.
Yes, we
Okay.
will ban
And
him
then
permanently.
if he doesn't leave, then you're willing to sign charges for trespass.
Correct.
And that's what you'll do.
Yes.
So yeah, what'll happen is if he won't get up and leave,
You'll just take
we'll have to take him to jail. And
I hope he doesn't go to that far, but yes.
do you have a business card on you, or if not, I'll just perfect. Okay. Max,
yes, sir.
This is the doctor who's in charge of the premises, and if this man does not vacate the premises now, he's banned from here. If he doesn't leave, he wants to pursue trespass charges.
Okay, so we've reached the precipice, sir.
You can let me think about it?
No, you have 60 seconds.
They want you left. They want you out of
I
here.
can't think about that in 60 seconds.
Okay, well, the time to leave this building is now. They've made it clear.
Okay, let's go.
You've been
Let's
clearly
go.
told. You've been clearly told that
Everything else.
you are immediately to vacate the premises.
I'm ready to go.
All right, this is your last chance. Is there anything I can say or do that would convince you to simply walk out peacefully?
I don't think I can, because I had a cardiac event.
You
Right.
can take a few minutes outside. You need to leave this building now.
Drag me out.
Get up and act like a grown-up. Act like a grown man and get up and walk out.
All right, sir, you're under arrest. I got to put you in handcuffs. Do you have any weapons on you? Watch your head.
No punishment for me.
Where's your pocket? I don't want anybody to get hurt.
Well, I don't know.
You don't know where it is? Is it in your pocket? It's unfortunate that this had to come to this.
No, you're not going to touch me. Leave me alone.
You're arrested, sir.
Leave me alone. You leave me alone. Come over.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Let's get your other arm, and then we can get you sitting up,
I
okay?
can't move.
Yeah, you can. Just
I can't
relax.
move.
I got
Yeah,
it.
we're going to have to pull it out here.
As soon as we get that arm out, I'll pull it up. Just relax.
Put your hand behind your back.
Don't you kick.
Good line.
I know.
Poor guy.
Okay,
We have a highly resistant, combative
let's roll him up.
gentleman here.
Let's roll him this way.
Watch the kicks.
Sit him up.
You guys have any tie downs, restraints for the legs?
Didn't know we should do.
Neither did we.
What's his name?
Don't know.
I will not tell anything to anyone until I get a mask on my face.
Okay.
And I get my glasses.
All right, we got your mask right here. There you go. And your glasses. How about I give you your glasses?
I want to go home.
Well, unfortunately, you're going to jail.
You want it to be easy? We can just get me up and I'll walk out.
All right. One second.
Wait, you're willing to walk on your own power?
1, 2, 3. All right.
Hey, Mike.
How you feeling right now, sir?
I had a heart cath operation on this wrist, and I would appreciate that being taken off right now.
How about this? If you calm down, everything will be fine.
The wrist is what I was here for. You guys are aggravating it. I will sue. Come on now.
Nope. Not gonna work.
You take my mom's ashes, I will kill you. And I mean it.
Let's not do any threats. That's not a good thing.
Yeah.
Swiss Army knife.
Where's it located?
Well, you guys threw me all over the place. Who knows where it is?
No. Where would you keep your pocket knife on you?
Still need to
Oh,
check
how about that? I didn't lie to you. You're
Still need to-
stupid.
those
you.
back pockets. What's his medical condition?
He's trying to kick me. So.
Do you have a medical condition that you need immediate attention for, or are you ready to go to jail right now?
The hospital.
For what?
We have to tell them what you're going for. What are you going for?
They don't just let people in.
My wrist is sore. My heart doesn't feel right.
You're still under arrest. Your property's going to go back to the jail. You can come back to the jail when the hospital clears you, and you'll get your stuff then. Sound like a plan, Brian?
You.
Easy. There's ladies here.
Damn too.
No, come on. Settle down.
Uncalled for.
Well, we're doing criminal trespass
Yep.
and resisting.
Probably disorderly and resisting.
Okay.
Brian.